7, 8, 1, 2 und 3, 4, 5, 6 und 7, 8 und 1, 2 und 3 und 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 und 7 lang. So, very slow. We go in woman's Aida. 1, 2, and 3, and then I block the girl, so she stays for a second, then I keep holding with the left, but I go with the right. 4, 5, 6, 7, I stretch back, and then I go back into the position with the girl. 8. Then I close. 1. And when I do this, I need to lead with the frame, not with the leg. The leg can do a small tip with the knee, not with the foot, and then I close. 1. Then I bring the girl in break. 2, 3, 4. And while I'm doing this, I do 2 and 3 and 4. A little bit multitasking for the guys. Now from here, I need to turn the girl in front of me and place her to the side. So I'm going to do this, side. Put her body weight there. Girls need to make a small step, so the guy doesn't have to bring it very far away. And we follow her leg. Follow, 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 and place my leg here. How do I do this? You see, I need to go not on the foot, but on the tip. So I can go over my own leg and cross here. Now, the girl is in front of me. If I push back, she stays on the left, she's going to make the right leg back. And I stop her, so she makes a break. Okay? Now, the next part is very important. If I pull forward, she's going to hit me. She's going to come straight and hit me. So what I need to do is turn the girl a little bit, and bring her in diagonal forward. And I will cross myself. 7. Okay, how do the girl knows this? Because I'm turning and bringing. Then I bring her back on the break. 7, 8. Then I go to the side. 1. And I turn 2, 3. And on the 4, I go for her back and for me also. And that happens at the same time. 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. That's it. Good music.